I don't know what to tell you, pal. I mean, there are a lot of parts missing. Fine, I'll push it back out in the street. You heard him. Pitch rides!
No. Betul ya, Di?
Well, I don't appreciate the tone of voice, but I'll fix it.
Di ka kasi credit.
Boy, I don't know. I mean, lucky for you, business is slow. I gotta order the parts from the mid-rim. Let's say 2 months.
Ako try what mo?
Settle your snout, I'll put a rush on it. But you gotta give me half up front for parts.
Tuwata!
Yeah, me? You know, I do have a life. Is he gone? Tell the Jawas the Rhodian left. Right, let's get this thing back together again. Quickly, before he sees you. Go, 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 go. Put those parts back on the speeder. Paint them so they look different. Here you go. Seriously, for 5 minutes of work? You're lucky I'm a softie.